2, 3, do it! Alright guys, so the last time you saw Dinoco was on the video where we put everything back together and did a few test hits to test out if the lifter tick was fit. I seemed fine that day, and for a few days also did a few pulls like every day, and then finally it started ticking again. So apparently it's not fit. So I was told by my tuner that my oil pressure that I have, it's not right, that I have low oil pressure. So I went to Summit, got me this oil pump, Melling oil pump. It is a high volume, high pressure oil pump. It's pretty nice. It comes with the other spring for, like, I guess different pressure. But this is a lower pressure spring, so the one that has the spring that's already in there, it's a higher pressure spring, so I'm just gonna leave that one in there. Right now I'm gonna go to my buddy's, Lewis. He's the guy that you always see me working, helping me work on my truck and all that. I'm gonna go to his house and we're gonna install the oil pump, and then I guess I'm gonna show y'all on the way over there where my oil pressure ranges from. I got this aftermarket oil pressure gauge because mine doesn't come with the extra oil pressure gauge or the factory oil pressure gauge. So I'll show you how much oil pressure I get while I'm driving. Once it gets warm, it goes down to like 25 or something. See, right now it's like at 30. Alright guys, so this is the pressure I get like taking off from a red light, like this in throttle. Like right at 30. It sits right at 30, just cruising it around. And this is how much oil pressure I get if give it like 60% throttle. It like barely went to like 32. Didn't even get close to 40. See, you're struggling. I would have already had all of them on.
Don't make me clip it.
Huh?
Don't make me clip it.
Huh?
I'll make you unclip it.
Huh? Oh, I did that shit, dude. On the bottom one, you know how I was leaking?
Yeah.
And I fixed it. It clipped together.
There, I clipped it.
It was like 10 minutes, dude, trying to get it off. I had a freaking screwdriver, flathead, everything.
Man, what'd you do? Super glue that bitch in there?
A little bit.
These pliers, and you put them right here. Look, see, and you see that? This thing. This is what it's called a circle thing, where it clamps your hoses. Cause I got hose. Okay. And with this hand, this mono right here, you grab it. You know what I mean?
How do you grab it?
Like this.
Oh,
just
dang.
like you're grabbing a chorizo. Oh my God. And sometimes, you know, as you can see, it's stuck. And this might be a little hot, but who gives a fuck? You're Mexican.
Hey, you don't have to do it, but it helps.
But trying to do a video here, guys. Is that what you're talking? All right. Well, Well, you're holding this. See how loosey goosey it is? This could be able to turn. But see this? It's a little hard. What you want to do, you grab it firm. You twist. You can try to twist it, but I mean, you can't twist it because it's really hot.
We just need more balls.
More balls too.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna spray
Hey,
everywhere.
can you not like wet my block?
Well, I'm sorry.
Oh, okay.
Alright guys, para los míos.
Los meows.
Ah, fuck.
Ya, Dios.
Para los míos.
Los meows.
Ready! Ready! Fight! That's cool.
I'm filming his first time using his tool. He's gonna save it for memories. He's gonna save it for memories.
Es porque vamos a ser unos YouTubers.
Think you made a pee.
Is it lined up?
Yeah.
Okay, we're good. That's how it goes.
That's how I did?
Yeah.
That's how I... It's too hard for it.
Okay. Fuck, I can't even reach down there. You gotta do it for my ass cards in the show. It's in the back?
Yeah, try to.
What the hell is this shit for, guys? Here you go.
Thank you.
Why is it black?
No.
Because it's bigger.
And that's how you take it out, you guys.
Actually looks pretty clean.
Cool.
What?
It'll be cool.
Oh, he said cool. I thought he said pull.
My truck is not a storage, you guys. How many Mexicans does it take to jack up a truck? He's got his jacket dirty.
Oh, you can smell the thread lock.
No, they never been removed.
Ugh.
Why you smell them?
Propito.
Oh. Yeah, you can smell it.
Alright. Down on the freaking. Y así salió.
Alright. Alright, there, let's see what we got here. What is that?
We got a stock, shitty ass oil pump.
Oh, whoa, 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 whoa.
A la verga. Para los meows.
Para los míos.
No, shitty ass pump. Don't work for shit. Puros pinches 25 PSI of oil pressure.
¿Cuánto?
25.
A la verga.
Yo quiero mi 45.
No shit, next customer's here, Diego.
Ah, fuck.
As you can see, we got two race trucks broken now. This ain't a race truck right here. This is the one right here. La Perrona.
Right now,
Hey, no. Where your new headlights that I got you?
I was gonna bring them, but I was like, nah, it's gonna take a long time.
Nah, whatever. Next time when Christmas comes, I'm just gonna give you a potato.
That potato?
Potato? What is that?
Let's go to the auto parts store.
Alright guys, we'll be back. Alright guys, so Diego found the lost pressure of oil. What happened, Diego? Let me know.
I think I just pinched it.
I don't know.
That's what I heard that happens when I researched it.
Yeah.
They get pinched when you put it back together. Yeah. That's how I pulled it out.
Hey, clean your shoes.
I did.
Alright, which store?
Dan, what's your name?
Oh, Luis. Luis Esparza. You can see don't
Oh yeah.
show where I'm working at.
Yeah, you may want to hide that.
Alright, so
What is this? SRT?
Well, let's figure out where we're gonna ride.
We're going. What's better? Walmart?
Walmart? Okay.
Oh nah, it's too far.
It's cheaper.
It is cheaper.
Alright, what do you want to say, dude?
I don't know.
You can see this is a 2014 Dodge Charger RT Black Top Edition. I barely found that out.
Oh, for
It's
real?
a Black Top Edition. And
Okay.
you can see got my Mopar stick.
Oh, is it a 4-cylinder or what? What was that?
Ah man, it's that stupid eco deal
Oh, okay.
bullshit, you know. Just give a little good mileage into it. I mean, don't give good mileage, but it's a beautiful car. It's nice. I mean, just don't forget you got the sports mode. That's how I beat all the stupid dumbass wants to race me. So I mean, you better watch out with me, because if you do, I turn that bitch on. I mean.
Oh, what happens when you turn it on?
Oh, you know all them bald eagles come out of the
Okay.
out of the tips.
Oh, look who's there.
Oh shit.
Nah, he wants some.
Alright guys, this is when I press the bald eagles because stupid people like this.
Alright, show.
Oh, well, you can see you press it. Alright guys,
Oh
we
my
got this
God.
going on. We got the RPMs. You know. Oh man, wait for me. I don't see people like that. They already know who I am. They just don't want it. You know.
They just don't want it.
Mopar, no car. See, why is he going faster?
Why is it going faster?
Hey, what are you doing? I'm drinking. You liar. Sound like you're spinning all the way, huh?
Yeah.
That's what happens when you press the bald eagle button, guys. You know,
Okay.
they don't want any. So, it's just what I do. Ah, como la cagan, quítate. Ah, otro baboso. Get here. No, but I know that guy.
I know that guy.
I will show people a lot, you know, how I raise, but if I show them, they're gonna know. Oh, this fool knows
I
what
think you
he's
can just watch 3 of us.
doing. You're right. All right, what? This is how I prepare my race, guys. To be honest, I do this. I exit out. I throw the traction control off. Put that bitch in first gear. You gotta press it, right? And that's where you get all your horsepower. You throw it in first gear, like I said. First gear. Let me tell you the secret. Once I throw it in third gear, I disappear.
Okay. Damn.
I mean, that's my race mode. Now people know how I win a lot.
I win a lot. Oh shit, it's coming out.
Oh, well.
Wait, what direction is it? Dang, sucking it in.
Was it tripping it out?
You hear it? No, pay attention.
What? Está sonando aquí.
Oh yeah, that's supposed to come out there.
Oh, shit got dark. Can't see shit.
It's gonna be kind of hard. So I have to line up the things. But I can't look. I can't see it.
You gotta get in there. Alright, guys, we'll be back. Oh.
Connect them?
Hmm?
Connect them, I guess.
Right now?
Yeah. Not like you that has a factory one.
I have one?
Fucking. Or you can see someone doesn't pay attention to the oil pressure gauge. He's like, I have one?